Welcome to the GLAC Studio. This is Gomathi Siva Sankaran, founder CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. Today, I'm so happy to share with you the product launch of the range Ardhanareeshwarar. Ardhanareeshwarar refers to the half man, half woman deity, which is a representation or a demonstration of balance in masculine and feminine energies. I totally felt inspired and motivated creating this painting. This is a 80 by 60 centimeter oil on canvas painting, and it took me about 30 good hours of work. This original is available for sale in our website, and the same is also available in the form of prints for you to buy. You can also purchase this range as NFTs via OpenSea. Link is also available in the description. You could also choose to create something like this on your own and feel inspired. How do you do that? You could also look at the tutorials that we have made. So all the 30 hours of effort was recorded, and our team member Srividhya, Mothilal, thanks to her, has drafted this in the form of tutorial, which is available in our website and also on UDEMY. I look forward to seeing you on the other side, either buying the prints or NFTs or the original itself, maybe learning to create this on your own. See you. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.